In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create broadcast on Instagram. If you've ever wanted to go live to share updates, host a Q&A, or connect in real time, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to start a broadcast with confidence. Begin by opening the Instagram app. From your home feed, tap the plus icon at the bottom center. If you don't see it right away, you can also swipe right from your feed to open the camera. Both paths take you to the creation screen, so use whichever feels more natural on your device. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see different creation options. Swipe left across them until you land on live. This puts you into the live setup view, where you can prepare your broadcast before it actually goes out to your audience. Take a second to make sure your framing and lighting look good so viewers can see you clearly. Before you start, you have a few optional tools that can make your broadcast more effective. Tap the lines icon at the top left to add a title. A clear title helps people instantly understand what your live is about when they join. You can also schedule the live for later if you want to build anticipation and let followers get reminders. If you prefer to keep things limited, set your audience to close friends so only your selected list can tune in. There's also practice mode, which is helpful if you want to test your setup privately before going public. These options are there to give you control over who sees your stream and how it's presented. Next, adjust your settings. Tap the gear icon to flip the camera between front and rear, depending on whether you want to show yourself or what's in front of you. You can turn on saving to archive so you have a record of your broadcast after it ends, which is great for repurposing content later. If you'd like, choose a filter to refine the look of your video. Keep it subtle so your stream remains clear and easy to watch. When you're ready, tap live or go live. You'll see a quick 3-second countdown, and then your broadcast begins. Your followers can join, react, and comment in real time. Take a breath, speak clearly, and enjoy the interaction. Live video is all about authenticity and connection. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.